Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. Headquarters, and I just want to show you what I've been working on here and how far I've been going on with this van group build right here. 2025, and there's still time to get into it because you have till the end of October to enter and finish your kit. So, with that being said, I'd like to show you my progress on stuff and maybe what the next segment will be about. All right. So I got the body. First I did the interior spray of dark tan right here. I might do another shot inside there. It looks has a little overspray. But it looks fine. It has a black vinyl roof on the top. I might straighten it out a little bit. I did the base for the wood trim to go on there. All the way around. I got to probably rob another set of decals to do the tailgate doors. The back doors here. Let's see, what else do I got here? We have a beautiful, beautiful interior. Let me see. I got the seats painted. Nice, nice color on those. Here's the other captain's chair. So we got two of those. I painted the interior right here. I got detailed the gas pedal and other stuff right here. And just touch that up a little bit, make that look nice inside. And do that. And I also painted the other side, different color. So that looks pretty cool. Got all this stuff all painted, ready to go right here to install everything into that. And got the engine painted. Special color I made myself. So that looks good. I just got to do the transmission, and that should be done. Let me see what else we got. Power bit, the brake, master cylinder. It's ready to go. I just got to paint the exhaust on here and go from there. Got the shocks painted. Just got to install those. Have all the engine parts and the battery painted. Might have to touch up the battery a little bit, but it looks good. And paint the carburetor. Let me see what we got right here. We got the steering wheel and some other parts I painted. So some underneath the hood stuff here. And the gas tank. Got the drive shaft and the AC / I think that's a heater. So heater, and I got the what do you call that? Radiator cap. Okay, and we got the air cleaner ready to go. And what my plan is to do. Oh, let me see, one more thing. I got the steering shaft column for the steering wheel ready to go. And this right here, the wheel backs. And so far I got that done. And my plans are to, since I'm doing a totally 70s custom van here, well, not really custom, but kind of custom, borderline custom, I'm going to go with the girl riding the rocket right here in the green bikini. So I figured that looks pretty cool, and I know this van ain't that fast, but it'll look cool on there. And I'm going to go with the wood panel and decals on there to put that on there. And since I am a Sanford and Son fan, I did watch the TV show before. I'm going to put the big one on the plates of it. So that's going to look kind of cool. And I'm going to paint the also going to paint the surfboards up for it. Don't know what color yet. I'm going to attempt there we go. I'm going to attempt to put I don't know if you can see it very well here, but I'm going to attempt to put these white walls on the tires, and I'm going to use the stock tires. So that will be kind of cool to use. Let's just see. Yeah, I think that will fit. Looks like it'll fit. So that's going to be fun to do. Put white walls around it. And I was thinking what my plans are here is every van I built like this so far has custom wheels. So I'm going to go with the stock wheel cover and the stock nose on there with the stock bumpers and a single exhaust coming out. So yeah, so that's where I'm at with this one. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.